Hello my friends, my name is Ellen. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my Southern Kitchen and the 385th episode here on Ellen's Homemade Delights. Hope all you doing well and staying safe and healthy. Down here in the South, we love us some grits, whether it's for breakfast, lunch, dinner, you name it. It is so delicious and it's a staple. So today I'm going to share with all of you Cheese Grits Casserole. And my friends, it is the bomb.com. It's going to be so delicious, simple and easy to make. And we're going to put some sausage in it. How yummy does that sound? Great to serve for breakfast. And if you're hosting a Sunday brunch, everybody's going to fall in love with this casserole. It is to die for. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my grits recipes playlist, my breakfast and brunch recipes playlist, and my previous video, Southern Peach Cobbler, down below in the description box. So grab your sausage, your cheese, and your grit sugar, because we're about to bake some cheese grits casserole magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, in my cast iron skillet, I got the fire over medium heat. I added in 1 pound of pork sausage. I'm using the original, or you can use the hot or maple, or you can use turkey sausage. So now I'm going to break the meat. I'm going to break it to about medium large pieces. And we're going to let the sausage cook until they turn brown. Alright my friends, I'm through cooking my sausage and I drained the excess grease and I put it in my bowl. So now we're going to set it aside while we cook our grits. In my large pot, I got the fire over high heat and we're going to add in 4 cups of water. And all we do is bring it to a boil. Alright my friends, the water has came to a boil. So now we're going to add in a half a teaspoon of salt. Now we're going to slowly whisk in 1 cup of quick cooking grits. Remember, when cooking grits, you want to whisk it so that way your grits won't be lumpy. Alright, so now we're going to cut the fire down to low. And we're going to cover the pot. And let the grits cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. And make sure you whisk occasionally. Alright my friends, I'm through cooking the grits. So now I removed it off the fire and off the stove. So next we're going to add in 1 cup of Colby Jack cheese, shredded, or you can use any cheese of your choice. And of course, butter, 2 tablespoons. Can't have grits without butter. And all we do is stir the cheese and butter in until it's melted. Don't that look good? If it has butter and cheese in it, it's going to be extra, extra good. Alright my friends, the cheese and butter is melted. So next time to add in our last 3 ingredients. Our sausage that we made earlier. 3 beaten eggs. And a half a cup of my favorite milk, evaporated milk. And stir all them in until it's well incorporated. Alright my friends, our grits mixture is done. Now we're ready to pour it into the pan. We're going to pour it in a 9x13-inch long baking dish that I greased with cooking spray, or you can use butter. So now I have some extra cheese left. I'm using half a cup. I'm just going to sprinkle it right on top. Going to be cheesy delicious. And I love this recipe because you don't have to add any seasonings, because the cheese, grits, and salt already have a lot of seasoning in it. So this is perfect. Alright, girlfriend, you ready to go into the oven? We're going to put it in a preheated 350-degree oven, and we're going to let it bake for about 25 to 30 minutes until the cheese is melted. Alright, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Southern Cheese Grits Casserole. It smells awesome up in this kitchen. The cheese nice and melted. Can't wait to dig in. Alright, so now we're going to let the casserole cool for about 10 minutes, and then I'll fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, I fixed me up a plate and I garnish it with some parsley flakes on top. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Oh yeah, beautiful texture. It's creamy, it's flavorful. I'm in grits heaven. If y'all love grits and cheese, y'all gonna love this casserole. This is marvelous, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. And the sauce is nice and tender. Yum-o. Cheese Grits Casserole-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And also hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights, or send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. I'll see you next time. Let's eat, much love, and stay safe.